In front of me is REALME 13 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then select any of those themes by clicking on the best one for you. Manage keyboards thanks to this switcher and tap on apply. As you can see, after a few seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. To customize it though, go back to the same settings and this time tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboards and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!